Hi there. Today is March 27th.
It's shaved.
Yeah, we are in Newberg, Oregon, and this is near Shehalim Drive. Yes. And this farm here have how many sheep, Gloria? 12?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. They have a black sheep, right? But they have 12 other ones. So it's really nice. They just shaved it for what? For wool, right? Yeah. And yep, Gloria and I just had a walk here, and just so pretty. Shehalim Drive. And okay, this is the drive we just walked. Yeah, that's the other side. Yeah, and today was a gorgeous day. Yeah, we live behind there, near Rex here. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. Okay, Gloria just had a walk with me. Hi there, sheep. Me. Yep. A lot of droppings. I mean, they eat a lot too, Gloria. Come on. They love to eat, right? So when they want to eat, yeah. Okay, this is a farmhouse actually. It's just about 10 minutes walk from our house. We're gonna lose our backyard view for another small farm, but I think this will be here for a while, hopefully. Who knows? Maybe in 10-20 years there's gonna be houses too. Yeah, over there is Dundee Hills. See a lot of vineyards right there. Yeah. So, look at the sheep. Beautiful, right? This is a really farm view. See, now it's even better. You can see that closer now. Yeah. It's pretty. They're looking at us.
Dead house or dead house?
I think they're about the same age. But this is really farm. Yeah, this is really farm place, Gloria. And this belongs to the other side, I think. Or you think this belongs to this house? We don't know, right? Yeah. But we love animals, right? See? That's a Gloria come here to walk with me, and she get paid for $3. Alright. That's nice. Daddy's so generous with you, Gloria. Gloria, be gentle.
What time? Mommy said go back home before 6:30.
Look at that.
6 what?
Only 6:10. Yeah. So we got lots of time, so stop pushing Daddy walking too fast. Hey, you get paid to be with Daddy. Yeah. This is just so pretty, right? Look at that. They're looking at you, Gloria. They're looking at you. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you sure there's a 13 there?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13.
Okay, 13. 12 white ones. 1 black sheep, right? Maybe, I think the black one is a male. Is a boy, Gloria. What do you think? Huh?
Let's go home.
Yeah, it's a free country, you're right. Animals are free too, look at that.
I said your clothes were free country.
My clothes is free country?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it. I didn't even know about it's a free country. Okay.
I want to go back home.
Okay. Gloria, don't step on other people's fence. Yeah. Okay. Look at that boy, he's just by himself skirting. Yeah. Okay, bye now. This is beautiful Newberg. Rexia over there. Chehalem Drive here. And on the west side, nice farm here. Look at the sun come out. Sunset time is about 6:30 in the evening here. Okay. Alright, bye bye.